Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to play Finish Strong by Jonathan Nelson. For those who are new to this channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Without wasting our time, let's dive into it. So this song is in the key of E flat. So okay, starting from the intro, we're starting here as a 1, and then 2, and then 7, and then 1, right? So they started higher register, and then we're gonna go down, right? So like 1, 2, like so, and then right, and then we're gonna have 7, 1, right? So and then 1, and then passing to the 2, and then again 7, 1, and then so straight gonna go right. So right here we have like we think like 2, 3, 2, 3 here, right? So from the top, so we have a vamping section on bass and chorus. So bass, we're gonna be starting from here. In this race that we run, so you will see. So we're gonna start here. We'll see. 4 that's 2, and then 5. So you can do the 5 sides, or you can do 4 to this one, drop 2, right? So in this place, or in this place, 4. So we have 4, 5, 3, 1, 4. So 4, 5, and then so the bass line actually going like the second part, 2, 3. So here we're gonna 4, 1. So yeah. So in this way. So right here you have 6, 4, 3. In this phase, 4, 5, and then 6, 4. So it's all about how you play the notes, right? So going to the chorus have a similar progression, right? You're gonna just be bumping. So if you are playing with a band, that is gonna sound perfect. Alright, so going to the chorus, you're gonna have a similar progression, but we're gonna do a passing chord, so that will take us to the chorus. So that will be like 6, 5, 4, 3, right? So alright, so the last section of the chorus, we have something like right? So we have 1/3 and then passing 2 and then 7, 1. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. So as always, I'm gonna play everything from the top so that you can see how it sounds like.